Security. Reverse American Century will be inbound to Duluth Piers approximately 30 minutes. Headed over to Midwest Energy Terminal. WDD 2876, one Reverse American Century, standing by for any concern traffic.
Calling Duluth Aerial Bridge, American Century.
American Century Aerial Bridge, I'll go ahead and get out of your way, Cap. Also, you have an outbound current at this time.
Thank you, Cap.
Aerial Lift Bridge, this is Star.
Bridge.
Yeah, when the Spirit comes in, we'd like to go out if possible.
Roger.
Thank you.
Security, more about American Century, now inbound to Duluth Piers. Security, more about American Century, inbound to Duluth Piers, news.
Dude, Tim is right here. I know. Look at that timing. Yeah.
Dude, why is that GoPro there? That's freaking me out.
I don't know. Grab that on your man.
You should.
Arriving in the Duluth Ship Canal is the American Century. The American Century was built at the Columbia Star in 1981 by the State Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by four 3,500 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots for about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid in maneuverability in port. The American Century has 37 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Century is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company of Williamsville, New York. The American Century was bought along with 5 other Oglebay Norton ships in 2006 by the American Steamship Company for $120 million. Originally named in honor of the brig Columbia, the first vessel to move iron ore through the Sioux Locks in 1855, she made her maiden voyage from Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin to Silver Bay, Minnesota in May of 1981 to load iron ore pellets. She carried a record cargo of 70,903 tons of western coal through the Sioux Locks in 1997. Only hauling iron ore pellets or western coal, she is one of 13 1,000-foot vessels that currently operate on the Great Lakes. or give them a big wave and welcome them back to Duluth. Once again, this was the American Century. She was built in 1981 and measures 1,000 feet in length. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons.